To remove the motherboard, first remove the side cover, the optical drive, the front bezel, the drive's cage, the M.2 SSD drive if installed in the unit, system memory modules, the wireless LAN board, and the VGA port cover if installed in the unit. Detach all remaining system connectors to the motherboard. Remove the 6 or 7 Torx 15 screws that attach the motherboard to the PC, depending on the motherboard installed in the unit. Slide the motherboard slightly toward the front of the unit and carefully remove it from the unit. If replacing the motherboard in a unit with a pushpin heatsink installed, remove the heatsink assembly and reserve. Place the motherboard in an anti-static bag. To install a new motherboard, first install the reserved pushpin heatsink to the motherboard, if the motherboard has a pushpin type of heatsink. To replace the motherboard into the unit, carefully tip the rear ports of the motherboard into their port cutouts. Clear the connectors away from the edges of the board as you place the motherboard down into the unit. Replace the 6 or 7 Torx 15 screws to secure the motherboard to the unit. Replace all connectors to the motherboard.